Hey guys, this is Jerry. Today is the start of another series of videos on this channel. In this particular series, I'll talk through all those features available on the new MG3, either the petrol or the hybrid drivetrain. This particular new MG3 is available in Australia, New Zealand, UK and other markets. If you find this content helpful, do not forget to subscribe and like. That's the best way to support this channel. As always, you can find all the timestamps down below on YouTube to skip forward if you wish to. And in today's video, we are going to focus on the key control and the central locking in the first part. Alright, this is how the key looks like. First thing, lock. Now lock the vehicle. So 3 flashes to let you know that's locked, and also along with that you get foldable wind mirror. That's available on all the MG3 available in New Zealand. Unlock, pretty simple. Now unlock just like that. You can also push and hold the center button to unlock the tailgate, but the tailgate does not ultimately go all the way up. Assuming your vehicle is locked, you just want to have access to the boot instead of all the other doors, driver or passenger seats or anything like that. You can individually unlock the boot. One way is to push and hold this function key in the center. That means the boot right now is unlocked. If you close the boot, you see 3 flashes. That means all the doors will lock again, including the boot. Another way to do it is you can just simply unlock these doors. If you are driving the Essence spec, which is the highest spec, that means you have keyless entry. As long as you have the key with you, press this button at any time when the vehicle is locked, it will only unlock the boot, and when you close it, that will shut, just like that. You won't be able to do it on the Excite version. Another feature only in the Essence spec gets is the keyless entry. When you have the key with you, when you get close to the door, just press the button over here. That will unlock all the doors, central locking. And then when everything is shut, press the button again, that will lock. If you have one of the doors ajar, or you have multi-doors that's open, ajar, whatever, if you want to try to lock it, the vehicle, it will give you a feedback horn. Just like that, to let you know one of the things are not fully locked. And if you unlock the door at any time and no one has pulled the door handle and no one has opened the tailgate, after 30 seconds, all the vehicle doors, central locking, will be locked again. Just like that. Under your driver door side, under the cover, you also see this small gap over here. That's your emergency release for your mechanical car key. To have access to the mechanical car key, what you want to do, you want to open the key case actually. So press this silver bar over here, open the key cover, you have a mechanical key blade. These key blades, of course, will only be useful for your vehicle. Open the key blade to a L shape. Now to open the door cover, push the key inside. You want to sort of go outwards, and then this cover will be unlocked, just like that. Now you want to insert the key, twist left or right to unlock the doors. And to push this cover back, you always want to open the door handle, go back in and give it a little bit nudge, just like that. That's secured into places. In case of an emergency where your key runs out of battery or your key radio does not talk to the vehicle at all, you will need to go to the center console, slide it out and open this cover, leave it outside. Now you'll find this small icon over here. That means it's actually have a sensor built in, so if your key gets really close to it, you can still start the vehicle. What you want to do, hold your car key and leave it flat on the floor, just like that. That means you can actually start the vehicle by putting your foot on the brake, push the start button again. The vehicle should start even if your key sensor is blocked or whatever. Inside the tailgate, you can also find this cover over here, just plastic cover, push it to open. That's your emergency release in case you are stranded in the vehicle and you don't have access to the central locking from your driver, passenger, front and rear doors. You want to open this cover and open the boot in case you are locked inside the vehicle. What you want to do, steal your mechanical car key, push it inside the blue cover, twist left and right to unlock the tailgate manually in case you are stranded. Hopefully you never need to use that, but it is there for you in case of an emergency. When you're inside the vehicle, the central locking can be controlled on your driver door panel by the driver door. Again, if you're left-hand drive, it might be from the other side. Click this to unlock, click this to lock, just like that. When it's locked, we'll show you the light over here. While the vehicle is locked, for the driver to get out of the doors, you just need to put the door handle once, and the central locking on all the other doors are disengaged. But for the passenger, when you unlock the doors, only your door remains unlocked. When you open that, all the other doors are still locked, theoretically. When you open the rear doors, you can find the child lock on the door side. When you push that way, when it's locked, that means people inside the vehicle will not be able to unlock the doors from inside. You can only unlock it from the exterior door handle. Of course, to disengage that, push it on the right, that's off. Some additional features: when you drive off to a certain speed at 15 km per hour on the speed, all the central locking will be locked automatically throughout the doors. Then when you switch off the vehicle by pressing the power off button, all the doors central locking will be disengaged automatically. Couple of additional features you can set up on the screen is swipe the screen left that way or click the vehicle over here. Under the convenience, you can find the first one, rear view mirrors, auto fold, unfold. If you disable that, it just means when the vehicle is locked, the wind mirror just stay there. But if you enable that, when the vehicle is locked, ultimately that will fold the wind mirror. When you unlock it, the wind mirror will ultimately open up. Next one is unlock the door using the key. So you can do driver door or all doors. If you do driver door, that means single click on the key blade will only unlock the driver door itself. Second click will unlock all the doors. Where if you select all doors, that just means single click, all the doors are unlocked, just like that. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you do not forget to subscribe and like. That's the best way to support this channel. As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.